Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Listen Easy. I am Emma.
And I am Jack. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be here.
Jack, how are you today?
I am good. A little tired, but good.
Why are you tired?
I was practicing English last night. I watched a show, then I read a little. Then I listened to a podcast.
Oh no, that is too much, Jack.
I know. I went to bed very late. It was almost 2 in the morning.
2 in the morning, Jack.
I know, but I was excited. I wanted to do everything.
That is not a good idea.
No, it is not, but I wanted to do everything in one night.
You cannot learn everything in one night, Jack.
I know that now. My brain said stop, but I did not listen.
Your brain was right.
Yes, the next morning I felt so tired. I could not remember anything I learned.
See? That is the problem. Too much in one night and then nothing.
Exactly. Nothing. All that time for nothing.
So today we want to talk about something very important. How do you learn English every day and not get tired?
Yes, this is so important. A lot of people start learning English. They feel excited at first. They study a lot.
And then they stop.
Yes, after 1 week, they stop because they are tired.
I did that too, many times.
To be honest, I tried to learn Spanish 2 times. Both times I gave up after 2 weeks.
2 weeks is not long, Jack.
I know. I was very excited at first. I bought a book. I got an app. I wrote notes. I made a big plan.
That sounds like a lot.
It was too much. I did too many things at the same time. Every day was very long and very hard.
And then you stopped.
Yes, I stopped because it felt like work. It did not feel fun at all.
That is the big problem. When it feels like work, you stop.
Exactly. So what is the answer? How do we learn English every day without getting tired?
I think the answer is simple. Do a little every day.
Yes, not a lot, just a little.
5 minutes is okay. 10 minutes is great.
Really? Only 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes every day is better than 3 hours one time.
I believe that now. Every day is the key.
Every day, small steps, that's the secret.
By the way, I want to say something. There's a word I love for this idea. The word is enjoy.
Enjoy? What does that mean exactly?
It means you feel good when you do something. You like it. You want to do it again.
Oh, like when I watch a funny show in English, I enjoy it.
Yes, exactly. You enjoy it, so you do it again tomorrow.
And the next day, and the day after.
Yes, that's the secret. You need to enjoy your English practice.
So do not do things you do not enjoy.
Right. If you hate grammar books, do not use grammar books every day.
Find something you enjoy. A show, a song, a podcast.
Like this one.
Yes, if you enjoy listening to us, that's English practice.
And it doesn't feel tired. It feels like free time.
Okay, Jack, I have a question. How did you find something you enjoy?
Good question. At first, I tried many things. I watched English news. I did not enjoy it at all.
News is hard.
Very hard and very serious. I felt stressed every time.
What did you try next?
I tried English songs. I listened and tried to understand the words.
Oh, that sounds fun.
It was fun, and I already knew the music, so it was not scary.
Did you understand the words?
Not at first, but I listened again and again, and slowly I understood more and more.
That's so good. You listened again and again, and that's real practice.
Yes, and I did not notice I was learning. I just enjoyed the music.
That's the best kind of learning. You enjoy it, and it works.
What about you, Emma? How did you find something you enjoy?
I tried many things too. I tried English cartoons, old cartoons, simple ones.
Oh, that sounds really fun.
It was so fun. The words are simple, the stories are short, and I laughed a lot.
Which cartoon?
Tom and Jerry. No words at all, just actions, but it helped my ears.
Tom and Jerry. That's a great one.
Then I started to watch easy TV shows with subtitles in English.
Subtitles help a lot.
Yes, you read and listen at the same time. Your brain works, but it's not hard work.
Right. You enjoy it and you learn at the same time.
And you end up knowing a lot of new words without studying.
That's so smart. Okay, listeners, if you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe so you don't miss our next episodes. We'd love to have you back every day.
Yes, please. We make new episodes all the time. Come back and keep learning with us.
Okay, back to the topic. We said, find something you enjoy. What else can we do?
I think make English part of your day, like breakfast.
Oh, I like that idea. Tell me more.
Every morning I eat breakfast. I do not think about it. I just do it.
Right. It is automatic. You do not decide, you just do it.
English can be like that. Wake up, have breakfast, listen to English for 10 minutes.
You do not think about it, you just do it. Every day.
Yes, it's easy because it becomes a habit.
That word, habit, we talked about that before on this show.
Yes, a habit is something you do every day without thinking.
And a simple habit is the best kind.
Right. Start very simple. Listen to one song. Watch one short video.
Read 5 sentences, not 50.
5 sentences is enough for one day.
And tomorrow, 5 more. And the next day, 5 more.
And in 1 month, you know a lot of new things.
Yes, a little every day adds up. You don't even feel it, but it adds up.
Jack, can I tell you something funny?
Yes, please.
One time, I wanted to learn 50 new words in one day.
50. That's a lot, Emma.
I know, but I wanted to be fast. I wrote all 50 words on paper. I looked at them, I looked again, I said them out loud.
That sounds like hard work.
It was very hard work. I sat there for 2 hours.
And did you remember them?
The next day, I remembered 4 words.
4.
4 out of 50. 2 hours of work, and I remembered 4 words.
That is so relatable. I did the same thing, maybe even worse.
It does not work. The brain does not work like that.
The brain needs time, small things, repeated many times.
Yes, that's why 5 words every day is better than 50 in one day.
In 1 week, that's 35 new words.
And you actually remember them because you used them every day.
I enjoy that idea a lot.
Nice! You used the word again.
I did. I enjoy learning slowly. It works better for me.
Me too. I enjoy short practice every day. Not long, not hard, just short and good.
Okay. I want to ask you something else, Emma. What do you do when you feel bored?
Oh, good question. Sometimes English practice feels boring. Even if I enjoy it, some days it is boring.
Yes, some days I look at my phone and think, not today. I'm tired.
On those days, I do something different. I change the activity.
Like what?
If I usually listen to podcasts, I watch a video instead. If I usually watch videos, I read something short.
Oh, just change what you do, but still do something.
Yes, same English, different activity, and I feel better right away.
That's a simple idea, and it really works.
It works so well. Your brain needs something new sometimes.
So you don't stop, you just change.
Exactly. Don't give up. Just change what you do that day.
And keep the time short.
Yes, short and fun. Even 3 minutes is okay on a bad day.
3 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Always. 3 minutes every day. That's 21 minutes in 1 week.
That's a lot, more than I thought.
Yes, small things every day add up to big things. That's the simple truth.
I also do something funny on bad days, Emma.
What do you do?
I watch funny videos in English, very short ones, like 1 minute long.
Oh, on social media?
Yes, short funny videos. I laugh, I hear English words, and sometimes I learn something new.
And it doesn't feel like work at all.
Not at all. It feels like free time, but it's English time too.
That's so smart. Your free time can be your English time.
Yes, you're on your phone anyway. Just watch something in English.
Or listen to something in English. Put on English music in the background.
Or read something short in English. A short post, a comment, 1 sentence.
Small things, everywhere, every day. That's how it works.
Okay, Let me say a bonus tip for today. I think this is very important.
Yes, tell us, Jack.
My tip is this: always end your English practice on a good feeling.
Oh, what do you mean?
Don't stop when you feel tired or bored. Stop when you still feel good.
Oh, stop while you still enjoy it.
Yes. So the next day you want to come back. You want more.
That's so smart, Jack.
If you stop when you are tired, your brain remembers English is hard and boring.
But if you stop when you feel good, your brain says, I want to do that again.
Exactly. So always stop at a good moment, not at a bad one.
I'm going to start doing that today.
Me too. Even though I already did too much last night.
Yes, don't do that again, Jack. Okay, I think that's our show for today.
Yes, we talked about how to learn English every day without getting tired.
The key? Do a little every day. Find things you enjoy.
Change what you do when you feel bored. Don't stop, just change.
And always stop when you still feel good.
Small steps every day. That's the way.
And our word of the episode today was enjoy.
Yes, enjoy. It means you feel good when you do something. You like it. You want to do it again.
Try to use it today. Write a comment below. Tell us, what do you enjoy in English?
Write one sentence. For example, I enjoy listening to podcasts in English. Or, I enjoy watching short, funny videos.
Writing the sentence helps you remember the word. You make it yourself. Your brain keeps it.
That is so true. Try it right now in the comments.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like it, share it, and subscribe. It helps us a lot.
We make new episodes all the time. We want to help you learn English every day without getting tired.
See you next time, beautiful people.
Bye-bye. Small steps every day. You can do it.